What's up, YouTube?
Another day of driving V8s. We're at the 7.
Alright.
Oh mate, we got a new guy on the show today.
Joshy, eh?
Gonna take him out in the C63, the Beamer. About to go towards the Growl racing car meet.
Yeah.
Alright, see you there.
Cafe 63 or Super Cheap. The Growl Racing just lead up, I guess. I don't know what they're doing. To cruise, gonna cruise down to the GC, and then they're gonna come back up. But after the GC, we're gonna yeet. But yeah, check out the cars. These guys usually have some good quality sets.
Hey, look over there, right? He's been taking photos of that 30. Trying to find a good angles.
He's literally looking at the AMG right now.
No, he's not. Hey, come on, man. Come on, man. Hey, what do you reckon of the first Australian car meet, Joshy? What are you, camera shy?
I don't know what to say, mate, to be honest.
Say, don't have my car for 10
What else? Whatever, mate. It's good. It was just no golf R's over here, mate.
No Fiesta STs.
Yeah. Alright, Josh. What's your first impressions of this thing? It's dark.
I can see anything, man.
Wait, you don't have Mazdas back at the UK?
Yeah, we do, yeah.
No, you don't. Stop lying to me. So we got here a bit late. Cars are rolling out already. Time to go back to Arundel and keep the cruise going on. We got Big Shano over here. Just street racing. There you go, Joshy. A bit more your flavour over there, isn't it?
Yeah. European.
European.
I'm not sure. I'm
All right.
pretty surprised it was close.
Welcome back. Where are we, Shano?
Where are we? Good question. Arundel. Arundel United.
God's country, baby, for Gold Coast.
Not misbehaving like children.
Wait, don't. I don't know what you're talking about, bro.
Yeah, no.
Oh my god, are you fucking kidding me? Is it a Kia? Alright, so I'm probably going to wrap up the video there. Some pretty cool cars, not like the last meet, but you know, good bunch of mates and friends and cool cars. Got a couple rips on the road, you know, didn't speed, but you know, just had some fun. Catch you later.